Hi, this is Pearl from Assembly. So today's 2-second lean has been a long time in the making. So for drilling middle hinges, we have a new drill. But how it used to be was that we would take our doors, drill them here, walk all the way to the other side, drill the middle hinges there, and then walk all the way back and put them on the table. So I will show you what we used to do for that. And there's lots of people that use this drill. So there's usually a line when we want to drill hinges here because there's people from 3 different areas that use it. So there we go. Okay, so that was how we used to do it, and now I'll show you how we do it now. Ta-da! There we go.
So what it used to be here before?
Here it used to just be a plain tabletop. So we
Awesome.
raised it up so we still have the table and the drill.
Perfect. Thank you, Pearl.
You're welcome.